everybody. So it's a winter wonderland out here. I'm at our favorite wing spot, Roosters, and we ordered some wings because, well, we were gonna go to trivia night tonight, but unfortunately, because of the 3.5-inch weather on the ground, the 3 and 5 and squalls and whatever, they canceled it, which is understandable. But so I was out at the bank and I said, hey, you want some roosters? So we're getting some wings. So I thought it'd be kind of fun for all you people in Florida to see our snow-covered wonderland out here. It's not quite as nice and tranquil as you would find at a neighborhood or something like that, but I got time to kill because I ordered the wings and I got like 20 minutes before they're up. So, you like my big furry coat? It's awesome. It's so warm. Look how warm it is. So, here we got Raising Cane's, and there's Roosters and the snowy out there. And, you know, all that wonderful stuff that all you Floridians just so happy you're not here. I kind of like it. I love snow. The cold I could do without, but it's not too cold out here right now. It's only like 30. So, I'm trying to think what else has been going on. Obviously, there's no shot of Juliana. She's not with me. Not in this weather. You know, we had Dan's concert the other day, and that was nice. So I did briefly mention Paul's got a girlfriend. So, first boy in our house to have a girlfriend. That's fun. So hey, I in karate, I got my green belt. I don't know if you can hear me, all the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. I got my green belt, which is 2 from black. So there's green, then brown, then black. I got that a few weeks ago, and it was hard. And I got my video up online of me fighting. If you check my YouTube channel, it's youtube.com/Tomnibus, TOMNIBUS. Or click on my name down there. You know, woo, woo, it's windy. Oh, I got some wind. Whew. Sorry. I don't know if you can hear any of this. So, what else happened? John decided to quit karate. He doesn't like it anymore. So we're trying to encourage him to do something else. Anything else. I can't force him, of course. But, you know, maybe someday he'll pick it up again. Oh, ooh, the wind. That's some wind. Oh, man. See all that out there? Okay, I think this is long enough. I'm going to go inside and wait for my wings. Alright. God bless everyone. Drive safe out there.